Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how to create a user account and sign in. Let's get started. From Scopito.com, you will simply click on the Login button at the top right of your screen. This will take you to our Sign In screen. Just below the green Sign In button, click on Sign Up. This will take you to the Create an Account form. Start by adding your full name, your company name, your phone number, and your email address. Be sure to read the terms of use by clicking here, and then click to confirm that you have read them and agree. You can opt in or out on receiving product emails, but we recommend that you check this option to keep up with feature releases and other important notices. You will then click the green Sign Up button, which will take you to the main screen where you will begin creating your inspections. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't hesitate to reach out to our support team if you have any questions.